Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video on the Frigidaire versus Whirlpool refrigerators. Please watch until the end to find out which refrigerator we favor. So, the main difference between the Frigidaire and the Whirlpool refrigerator is the design and build. Frigidaire refrigerators have a modern feel to their design, with their finishes comprising of stainless steel and a diverse array of colors in other compartments. Whirlpool refrigerators have a traditional appearance that is more low profile than those of Frigidaire. While they also have stainless steel finishes, they only come in white color options. The Frigidaire refrigerators are more stylish and glossier in their design. Food preservation and technology. The technology used in designing refrigerators plays a big role in efficiency. Frigidaire refrigerators operate on engineering that ensures there's no temperature fluctuations from Even Temp technologies, ensuring food is always fresh. They couple that with another technology from Twintech that promotes temperature consistency in both the fridge and the freezer at the same time. In contrast, Whirlpool refrigerators operate on several technology platforms, which include dual cooling for isolation of bad smells, AccuChill, and dual evaporators tasked with cooling efficiency. Total coverage technology provides maximum cooling for the whole fridge. On this feature, Whirlpool refrigerators are superior because they have better working cooling technologies. Storage and food preservation. Frigidaire refrigerators provide seal crispers that help ensuring the vegetables are fresh, door-indoor storing features, and gallon bins for huge items in the fridge. Whirlpool technology has smaller gallon bins for storage, but lacks an intelligent base controlled temperature for the food stored. However, it has crisper drawer technology. Frigidaire tends to be on the top in vegetable preservation capabilities. Comparison table. From the table, we can deduce that the Whirlpool refrigerators have better features when it comes to the cooling technology that they use. They have a slightly bigger storage capacity and have better ice dispensing capabilities. However, we also see that they have a less appealing design. Similarities. Both Frigidaire and Whirlpool refrigerators have exceptional drawers and shelves that allow for easy access. Their French doors have a temperature control feature and additional energy economy capabilities. Verdict. So, which is better? Whirlpool refrigerators are the better option of the two. They use multiple technologies targeted at regulating temperature, which is essential for food preservation. However, Frigidaire refrigerators offer a wide array of color options for consumers. If you like this video, consider giving it a like and make sure you subscribe to our channel for more content. So, do you agree with our option? Let us know in the comment section.